Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some easy beginner deals at CVS Pharmacy from April 19th to April 25th. We have some toothpaste for free, we have some makeup under $1, and we have pull-ups for under $3 a pack. If you're interested to find out how to get these amazing deals, just keep watching. I'm going to start off with my normal disclaimer that you know what's going on in the world. I am not your mama. If you need to go out and get things, that is completely up to you. I will never judge you for that. I don't know your situation. You don't know my situation. So we're not even going to worry about what other people are doing. The only thing I will say is if you're going out in public, please just be safe, keep distance, wear a face mask if you need to, and wash your hands. Okay, wait, I want to tell you before we go any further, if you haven't downloaded Fetch Rewards yet, you're going to want to download it because you're going to save big money with these items in this video. So pause this video, go ahead and download it now, use my referral code VRYQQ, or you can click the link in the description box. When you use my referral code, you're going to get $2 or 2,000 points free when you scan your first receipt. And the same thing with Ibotta, you're going to want to download the app now and use my referral code rwoenvt. If you use my referral code, Ibotta is going to give you $10 when you scan your first receipt. And I'm going to show you in this video the first offer you can redeem on Ibotta. So if you're brand new to Ibotta, you use my referral code, I will be getting you back $15 if you do this first deal I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, this first deal is a hot deal. If you have kids in pull-ups, if you have kids who's fixing to be in pull-ups, if your neighbor has a kid in pull-ups, if you know someone who may have a kid soon in pull-ups, or if you're just looking for something to donate, this is the item to get. Okay, Huggies pull-ups are on a promotion. Spend $20, get a $5 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 packs of pull-ups. They're buy one, get one 50% off. The first pack is going to be $13.49. The second pack is going to be $6.74. That's a total of $20.23. If you're brand new to couponing, you're going to pick up those 2 packs of pull-ups. You're going to clip that $2 off one bag of pull-ups digital coupon on the CVS app. You're going to pay $18.23 out of pocket for these diapers, but they're going to give you back a $5 extra care buck. Then you're going to scan your receipt to Ibotta to get $2.50 back per bag, but you're going to want to make sure you clip that Ibotta offer before you go shopping. It looks like this. Then scan that same exact receipt to Fetch Rewards and you're going to get back 3,000 points, which is equivalent to $3. So you're going to pay $18.23 out of pocket. You're going to get back those extra care bucks and your rewards from Fetch and Ibotta. It's going to make these 2 bags of diapers just $5.23 or $2.61 each. But if you've been couponing at CVS for a little while and you have CRTs, look and see if you have that 3 off 15 diaper CRT. If you throw that CRT in there, your new total will be $2.58 for both, or just $1.29 each. But I'm going to show you the perfect storm. These are the deal couponers live for. You're going to pick up 2 of the diapers. Again, buy one, get one half off. $13.49 for the first, $6.74 for the second, for a total of $20.23. You're going to use a 3 off 15 CRT. You're also going to use a $2 off one bag of pull-ups paper coupon from the 4-5 Smart Source. You're also going to use that $2 off one bag of pull-ups digital coupon from the CVS app. So your total will be $20.23 before coupons. $7 worth of coupons will come off. You will pay $13.23 out of pocket. Then you get back your $5 extra care buck. Then you're going to get back $5 from Ibotta when you scan your receipt. You're going to get back $3 from Fetch Rewards, making it just 23 cents for 2 packs of pull-ups, or 11 cents a piece, which is an amazing deal. Okay, so moving right along. The next deal I have for you is buy 2 Suave shampoo, conditioner, or stylers, get a $3 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up 2 Suave shampoo and conditioners. They are on sale 2 for $6. You're going to pay $6 out of pocket and get back a $3 extra care buck. So that makes them $3 for both, or $1.50 each. Then you're going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards because they're offering 8 times the points back on Suave products. Now if you happen to pick up inserts for today, $4.19, then I can make this deal even sweeter for you. You're going to pick up the Suave shampoo and conditioner. You're going to pay $6 for them. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off one Suave paper coupons from the $4.19 Retail Me Not. So you're going to pay $4 out of pocket for both of them. You're going to get back a $3 extra care buck. Makes them $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Okay, for our next promotion, there's buy any 2 Maybelline Cosmetics, get a $7 extra care buck. This is a super easy deal, no coupons needed. You're going to buy 2 of the Maybelline Expert eyeshadows. They're $4.19 each, making your total $8.38, and you're going to get back a $7 extra care buck, making it just $1.38 for both, or 69 cents each. This promotion actually has a limit of 3, so you could actually do this deal a second time. So if you're doing the deal a second time, you'd pick up 2 of the same products. You would use that $7 extra care buck you got from the last transaction. You would pay $1.38 out of pocket, and then you would get back a $7 extra care buck. Then you could turn around and do the deal a third time, just like you did the second time. So if you ended up doing this deal 3 times, you'd end up paying a total of $11.14 out of pocket between the 3 transactions, and you'd end up walking away with the $7 extra care buck, making all 6 eyeshadows just $4.14, or 69 cents each. Okay, now let's talk about some free toothpaste. If you are a couponer, you should never ever pay for toothpaste. So Crest, Oral-B, and Scope are on a promotion this week. Buy 2, get a $3 extra care buck. They are also on sale, 2 for $6. So we're going to pick up 2 of the toothpaste for $6. We're going to use a $3 off 2 adult Crest Toothpaste digital coupon. You're going to pay $3 out of pocket and get back a $3 extra care buck, making them both free. Now if you look in your app and you see that you are getting CRTs, you're going to go ahead and pick up 4 of the toothpaste. Again, they're on sale 2 for $6, so it would be a total of $12. You would use a 3 off 12 oral care CRT, use that 3 off 2 adult Crest Toothpaste digital coupon. You would pay $6 out of pocket, and because this deal has a limit of 2, you would get back $6 in extra care bucks. This next deal is only a good deal if you can do printable coupons, so if you have a printer and you can print some coupons, this deal is for you. Eucerin is on a promotion this week. Spend $20, get a $10 extra care buck with a limit of 1. So you're going to buy one of the Eucerin skin calming creams for $9.79. You're going to buy one of the Eucerin daily hydration lotions for $10.79. You're going to go to eucerinus.com. I'll link it in the description below. If you share their coupon link, then it will give you a $3.50 off coupon. You can print that twice. You'll have to share it twice. I just share it to my other emails that I have, and then you don't really have to bother anybody. So you'll use those 2 $3.50 off coupons, and if you have a $2.25 off 10 hand body lotion CRT, you can use that as well. The 2 lotions will come up to $20.58, $9.25 worth of coupons will come off. You will pay $11.33 out of pocket, get back a $10 extra care buck, making it $1.33 for both, or 66 cents a piece. Now, if you don't have that CRT, you can go ahead and pay $13.58 out of pocket, get back the $10 extra care buck, making it $3.58 for both, or $1.79 a piece, which is still a great deal for $10 lotion. And here's one last little deal I wanted to show you. It's really hard to get coupons for stuff like milk and eggs and stuff, so this is kind of a good deal. Milk is on a promotion this week. Buy 1, get a $1 extra care buck. It's a limit 2, so you could buy 2 gallons of milk if you need them, and you get $2 in extra care bucks. It's not a crazy out of this world deal, but everybody needs milk, and if you can get $1 back on it, why not do it? Okay guys, those are the CVS beginner deals I have for you. I try to show you the different ways you can do the deals. Nothing's worse than whenever you see a good deal and realize you can't do it because you don't have the CRTs. I just know a lot of people in the comments said they haven't shopped at CVS, so I wanted to make it where everybody, even someone who just signed up for an account, could do it. I want to thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my videos. If you like seeing these CVS deals, please go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn your notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Don't forget, if you haven't signed up for Ibotta or Fetch Rewards, the links will be down in the description box below. Use my referral code. For Fetch Rewards, you'll get back $2, and for Ibotta, you'll get back $10 when you scan your first receipt. Also, if you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, you should go over there and follow me. My TikTok is at @mycouponinglife. You also can follow me on Instagram at @mycouponinglife on YouTube. If you haven't checked out my community tab on YouTube yet, you should go ahead and do that, because today I made a post about a Dollar General coupon that you definitely need to clip on all your Dollar General accounts, because it's going to be very important for the 5 off 25 breakdowns that I'm going to be posting by Wednesday. Remember, I'm not suggesting anybody go out and go shopping, but if you're going out, just remember, please be safe, wash your hands, and don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. And that's all I got for you. Till next time, bye.